What if Tesla's next big move isn't bigger, but smarter? This might be the car that changes everything for everyday drivers. Today, we're taking a deep look at the 2027 Tesla Model Q. A sleek, compact electric crossover that could become Tesla's most important car yet. And there's one design detail at the rear that you need to see before making up your mind. The Model Q appears to be Tesla's answer to a growing demand. A smaller, more practical EV that still feels premium. Positioned below the Model Y, this car looks designed for urban life, tight garages, and young families who want Tesla technology without stepping into a larger SUV. From the front view, the Model Q feels clean and futuristic. There's no traditional grille. Instead, we see a smooth, sculpted face with a slim LED light bar stretching across the front. The Tesla lettering sits boldly in the center, giving it a confident identity. The headlights are narrow and sharp, creating a focused, almost intelligent expression. The body color in this example, a refined silver finish, highlights the subtle curves along the hood and bumper. It looks aerodynamic but not aggressive, modern but not over-designed. Move to the side profile and you'll notice how balanced this car is. The roofline gently slopes toward the rear, giving it a coupe-inspired crossover silhouette. Flush door handles keep the body smooth and clean, improving both aerodynamics and design purity. The wheel design stands out. Large, turbine-style alloys fill the arches perfectly, giving the Model Q a planted, stable look. The proportions suggest a compact footprint, yet the cabin appears spacious. Now let's talk about the rear, and this is where it gets interesting. The full-width LED taillight bar stretches seamlessly from one side to the other. It glows bright red, creating a bold nighttime signature. The Model Q badge sits below, clean and minimal. The rear bumper features subtle black accents and a lower diffuser-style trim, adding a sporty touch without being loud. It's modern, it's cohesive, and it feels like a Tesla that is matured in design. Inside, the cabin continues that minimalist philosophy. A wide digital display stretches across the dashboard, integrating speed, navigation, media, and driving visuals into one sleek interface. The steering wheel carries the Tesla logo, and the layout feels open and uncluttered. There's no excessive button clutter, just clean surfaces, soft materials, and a floating center console with practical storage space. It feels like a tech lounge rather than a traditional car interior. But here's the big question. Can a smaller Tesla still feel like a true Tesla? Some buyers associate Tesla with strong performance and long driving range. Others expect cutting-edge autonomous features. If the Model Q aims to be more affordable and compact, will it compromise on power? On range? On premium materials? And then there's competition. The EV market is more crowded than ever. Every brand now offers a compact electric crossover. So what makes the Model Q different? This is where Tesla's ecosystem becomes the real advantage. The Model Q isn't trying to be the biggest or fastest. It's designed to be the most accessible gateway into Tesla ownership. With its sleek front light signature, aerodynamic profile, connected rear LED bar, and ultra-modern interior interface, it delivers the visual drama people expect from Tesla, but in a city-friendly size. Imagine pulling into your driveway, The slim LED lights glow softly. The flush handles extend as you approach. The cabin wakes up with a wide digital display ready to guide your drive. This isn't just a smaller Tesla, it feels like a smarter Tesla. If priced correctly, the Model Q could become the volume seller that expands Tesla's reach to millions of new drivers. Students, young professionals, small families, this is the Tesla that feels attainable. And that full-width rear light bar? It might just become the signature look of Tesla's next generation. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2027 Tesla Model Q, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone thinking about switching to electric. Let me know in the comments. Would you choose the Model Q over the Model Y? The 2027 Tesla Model Q proves that the future of electric cars isn't just about going bigger or faster. Sometimes the smartest move is going smaller and doing it better.